Do you know about the varieties of kielbas? Have you ever eaten sandwiches consist of different types of kielbas? Do you like eating sandwiches at all? Today, I want to tell you the secrets for making a delicious kielbas sandwich. You will love it. Just give me your time for 5 minutes and watch the video. Hello, my friends. Today, I'm come to a fast food store that just make kielbas sandwiches. And I want to see how many different types of kielbas they use in their sandwiches. So, do not forget to like and let's go. I want to show you all the types of the kielbases they use here. The first one is ham kielbas of lamb's meat. It has its fans here. Next one is meat, mushroom and chicken ham. This one, like the last one, is famous too. Mixture of chicken and veal's meat loin. Veal's meat ham. Mixture of chicken and meat bacon, which is very delicious. Chicken and mushrooms kielbas. Roast beef ham. Turkey fillet. Pepperoni. And here is another pepperoni kielbas, which is less spicy. Now, let's go and check one of the most outstanding sandwiches here. At first, a layer of chicken and meat and mushrooms ham into our sandwich. Then, a turkey's fillet. Now, it's time for pepperoni's kielbas. Add the tomatoes. Now pickles. Then corns. Now it's time for the potato stick. Wait, it's not finished. Here's the black olives. And lettuce, the most important part. We can add sauces too, but I don't want it to gain more fat. That's why I didn't use sauces. Did you like the video or not? If you like it, do not forget to like this video, and I have a special suggestion for you. For learning how to make these delicious drinks and serve it with this sandwich, do not forget this video. I'll see you there.